everybody, today we're going to divide rational expressions. We have 7x to the fourth over 8y squared divided by 21x cubed over 16y to the fourth. Now, if you recall from dividing fractions, if you have a fraction a over b divided by c over d, that's equal to a over b, this turns into multiplication and you flip this. This becomes d over c. Okay? So we're going to be doing the same thing here. 7x to the fourth over 8y squared. The first rational expression does not change. This turns into multiplication, and 16y to the fourth becomes the numerator, and 21x cubed becomes the denominator. Now we turn it into multiplying rational expressions. Now what we've done before is factor. Here we do not factor. Everything is already in factored form. So the way you can do this is by simplifying any common factors in the numerator and the denominator. So you can simplify 7 and 21, for instance. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So this is multiply. You can simplify any factor in the numerator with any common factor in the denominator. Okay, so this is really the same as multiplying like this. Right? I could do the same thing with 16 and 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. I can simplify x to the fourth with the x cubed and y to the fourth with y squared as well. But just not to make it too messy here, I'm going to write it in the first step. So let's go ahead and write it down here. What do we have in the numerator? Writing the numbers first. 1 times 2 is 2. You have x to the fourth times y to the fourth over, writing out the number first, 1 times 3 is 3, x cubed times y squared. Now, what we have here, we can simplify using the quotient rule of exponent. Now, if you recall the quotient rule of exponent, a to the m over a n, that's equal a to the m minus n. So the power of the numerator minus the power of the denominator. Or you can do this if you like. You have x to the fourth, that's the same as x cubed. That's the same as x times x times x times x over x cubed, that's x times x times x. So this cancels with this cancels with this cancels with this, and you're left with x. Okay, that's the same as saying x to the 4 minus 3. So the power of the numerator minus the power of the denominator, which is x to the 1, or simply x. So let's go ahead and simplify. 2 over 3 does not simplify, so we leave that. And these simplify using the quotient rule of exponent. We just did this. X to the 4th divided by x cubed, that's x. Y to the 4th divided by y squared, that's y. The power of the numerator, 4, minus the power of the denominator, that's 2. So that's your answer, 2xy squared over 3. Now, I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.